The standard sling offered by FN for the FN-49 rifle is a plain leather sling with brass adjustment buckle. Components of the leather sling include the sling with sewn-in buckle and a brass sling stud. The sling can be installed with adjustment loop either toward the muzzle or toward the butt of the rifle. Installation with the adjustment loop toward the muzzle is shown in this training film, as it is more common. To install the sling, start with the sling lying flat, buckled toward the butt of the rifle, and the folded over portion of the sling up. Insert the feed end of the sling into the front sling swivel from back to front, with the grain side toward the rifle. Bring the feed end around the sling swivel and back toward the buckle. Weave the feed end through the buckle, ensuring there is enough length to attach to the rear sling swivel. Ensure there are no twists in the sling, and fold the feed end under itself and insert it into the rear sling swivel from back to front. Taking the sling stud, press it into the hole at the end of the sling with the flat side of the stud toward the rifle. Align the second sling stud hole and press the stud through the other side of the sling. The sling is now installed on the rifle. The sling can be adjusted for length by moving the buckle along the sling. Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting or helpful, go ahead and give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. Then let us know what you thought or would like to see with a comment. If you would like to support the channel, a link to our Patreon page is in the description. For more information on this firearm and others, head on over to historyoffirearms.com.